Cutler on the move. Gets out of it. And heaves it deep in the area of Jeffery. Alshon Jeffery. Inside the 5 of the Lions. A little bit of Cutler magic.
People in the stands are yelling down at the field, calling this pass interference on Alshon Jeffery as he threw Kudus out of the way. But look at Jay Cutler here. That was a dead to right sack by 2 Detroit Lions. And he didn't put up a pretty ball, but it had enough airtime that Alshon Jeffery, you could see 42 on the ground right there. And that's what people are booing. They thought he threw him to the ground.